Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. This should happen next week, guys. Be prepared because it's a lot that's about to go down. So, as we know, guys, a lot of analysts is expecting for us to go back into a bear market, dragging into 2023. Wall Street is warning investors not to try to time the bottom in stocks, with the bear market potentially dragging into 2023. U.S. stocks has rallied in the recent months, not going, but U.S. stocks have rallied in recent months, giving investors hope that the market has bottomed. And it's crazy that, your boy called that rally. I told you guys it was going to be a bullish market within the bearish market, being for the fact of a lot of different components that was adding up to give me that indication. And also being for the fact that the Feds was losing steam. They was losing power. Whenever you steady coming out with bad news and everybody know inflation was soaring, prices high, people were spending less money, we already know what to expect. So the market already was pricing in the worst of the worst. So each time you come out and say that, you losing the benefit of the doubt to be able to control the market the more that you do it. Because after so long, it's nothing else you can do, right, to hurt it. Because you done did the worst of the worst. So it's going to leave the market with no direction but to go up. Because the market isn't never going to go through any crisis. All the stocks is never going to go down to $1, $2, everything in the market, or down to $0 and everything just be cents. I don't see that happening. Not saying that is not possible, because anything is possible. We know that, but it's not likely, guys. So with that being said, anyone could tell, months ago, when the market just been going down in a downward decline for 7, 8 months, that it was eventually about to turn back around and pop hard soon. So now a lot of people is skeptical, not knowing what to do. When I told you guys exactly what to do, the bullish market was coming. Sell all your positions as it ran up during the spike up, because some may say, well, I never know when it's going to end, when it's going to start spiking. Never try and time it and see and try to be greedy and try to get the top. Just sell within strength. Selling a stock or asset security within strength is just selling whenever you see bullishness, whenever everything's green, whenever everybody's excited. That's selling in strength. So anyways, guys, going into next week, it is going to be, it's going to be rough, being for the fact that a lot of people is going to be shaking out. They didn't sell for their profit when the market was up. Now they done lost all those profits, and now they scared. And once they panic the market one more time before ripping it back up, during that last panic that's about to happen, people is going to sell out for a loss and then buy right back in when the market rip up and be rinsing and repeating themselves for losses instead of gains. When I told you guys to load up previously, sell when the market ran up like it did, and now you should be rebuying, guys. Come Monday, get in VIP now, because we're going to make a lot of money, guys. It's going to be crazy opportunities in the market. I'm hoping for a nice morning panic on Monday, and then reversal going towards the middle and the end of the day, and for us to have a solid week going into next week. It's going to be crazy choppiness, but overall, it's going to be a lot of money to be made, a lot of up and down, back and forth, until the market can kind of digest what's going on in the economy and see what we want to do going forward. So with that being said, though, guys, regardless of what the outlook is at this moment, I'm telling you what's about to happen. Come Monday, the market is going to panic a little more. AMC will come down a little more. Meme stocks, all that is going to come down a little more. And once it does, it's going to quickly reverse, and people's gonna be like, dang, I wish I would have loaded up right there, because the window going to be so short. So anyways, guys, like I said, it's a lot of opportunity next week. You definitely want to get in VIP, because we want to be calling out crazy plays. All last month, this month, we've been making over 100+% in a single day, 80% in a single day, just back to back to back, going ham. Our last few calls, I love to be very clear, our last few calls was the only calls in a long time that haven't paid us off yet. We know Tilray, I got you guys in that. That came down, it's looking ugly. Not regardless, but I got no doubt in my mind eventually that's going to run like hell. But right now it's playing a lot of games, so people should be down in that maybe. Also, we called out Robin Hood and Upstart. I know people down in that. But like I say, all three of those that I call, if you handle, I wouldn't be worried at all, because I'm holding with conviction, guys. Strong conviction with those. So you already know. Let's look back into this with this special dividend that AMC got going on as well, because on yesterday I did make a mistake with explaining exactly how this would be taken care of. So we know AMC had issued a special dividend on August 4th, And if you purchase AMC before the close on Friday, you will be given this special dividend on Monday. So the way this special dividend works, guys, is basically throughout right here, we got AMC. We'll be doing a stock split ratio with a special dividend for 2-for-1, which is a common parlance implies that the share price shall be halved, right? No, in this case, unlike usual stock splits, the value of the share is not going to be halved. Instead, if you own one share of AMC stock, you shall receive another share which shall be a preferred share. Basically, if the share price at the end of today was $20, and say you own one share of AMC, the stock with the ticker name AMC shall now be valued at $19 instead of $20, and that $1 that's left is going to go to the extra preferred share under the ticker name APE, and that should be valued at $1. And that's exactly how they're going to do it, guys. So you already know I just had to clear that up, clarify that. So going into next week, guys, getting VIP, it's a lot of money to be made, a lot of plays to be called out, a lot of, a lot of stuff to learn to just to go with you over time. Cause this is a journey, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Just with this market, learning all these different points around the market, and just becoming a better version of yourself, a better investor, a better trader, learning how to be, smart and meticulous, knowing how to sit back and patiently wait for opportunities, not being such in a rush to make the next move, just learning all these different things that's going to help you along the way. So you already know, guys, I love you. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. We out, and God bless you.